Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to insert watermark in Microsoft Excel worksheet. For inserting watermark in sheet, click on Insert. Now click this drop down list icon and click on Header and Footer. Click on Picture. Select From a file. Browse file on your computer or local network. Select your image. Now click on Insert. Double click anywhere. Now again click on Insert, Text, Header and Footer, Formatting Picture. Click on Picture, Image Control. Click on drop down list and select Wash Out. Make OK. So now you can see the image as a watermark, and if you want to text as a watermark, so remove this picture, click Insert, Text, Header and Footer, type your text. Select this text. Change the font size, make bigger. Change the color. Make enter. Now double click anywhere. So you can see text as a watermark. So by this method you can create a watermark in Microsoft Excel program.